Hey everyone, want to learn how to use the FileZilla Site Manager? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and manage server connections step by step. Yeah, Site Manager makes it easier to save FTP and sftp details, organize multiple servers, and reconnect quickly whenever you need. First, open FileZilla on your computer. Make sure FileZilla is installed and ready before opening the Site Manager. Next, click the File menu at the top of the window and select Site Manager. This opens the section where you can create, edit, and manage your saved server connections. To create a new connection, click the New Site button and enter a name for your server profile. Using a clear name helps you quickly recognize the correct server if you manage multiple connections. Now enter your server details. Choose the correct protocol, such as FTP, FTPS, or sftp, then add your host address, port number, username, and password. After entering the information, choose your preferred login type. You can save your credentials for faster access or require a password each time for better security. The best option depends on whether the computer is private or shared. Once everything is set, click Connect to test the server connection. FileZilla will use the saved settings to connect to your server. If the connection works correctly, you can save the profile and use it anytime from the Site Manager. Next time, simply open Site Manager, select your saved server, and click Connect. You can also edit existing connections, duplicate server profiles, rename them, or remove old connections that you no longer use. So keeping your Site Manager organized makes managing multiple servers much easier. If a saved connection stops working, open the Site Manager and check your host, login details, and protocol settings to make sure everything is still correct. And that's how you use FileZilla Site Manager. With saved connection profiles, you can manage FTP and sftp servers faster and keep your file transfer workflow organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.